Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and again I'm ready with my next presentation for Class 2 Subject English Grammar. The name of the book is PC Brains. This is assignment number 2, lecture 9. In lecture 8 I gave you assignment 1 and you all must have already done that assignment in your rough notebook. So this is assignment number 2 and again you have to do this assignment in your rough notebook. So let's start. This assignment is nouns and its type. We have already learned these topics in our previous lectures. We have learned what is a noun. That noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. This is a definition of noun which you all have already learned. And second is its type. We have learned two types of noun, that is common and proper noun. I think it's clear to everyone now. So let's start. So in this assignment I will be giving you the questions on these two topics. So let's see. Question number 1 is write the names below each picture. So these are the pictures and you have to write down their name. It is very easy, but be careful that you are writing the correct spelling. Write the correct spelling and learn these spelling also. And if you want to draw the pictures, you can draw it in your rough notebook. So this is the question number 1. Write the names below each picture. Let's do is write the naming words for the following groups. These are the 4 groups: person, place, animal and a thing. We have already done these type of exercises in our previous lectures. Now this time you have to write down by yourselves. See, the first column is person. You have to write down the name of any 3 person. Place, place means जगह के नाम, person means लोगों के नाम. Now you have to write down the three places names. You can write down any 3. There are many examples around you. Third one is animal. Write down the name of any 3 animals. Fourth one is thing. Write down the name of any 3 things. The person means log, place means जगह, animal means जानवर, thing means cheese. So you have to write down these naming words. Question number 3 is rearrange the letters given below to get the naming words. Now what you have to do, you have to rearrange these words to get a naming word. These all 4 are naming words. As you can see, an EP. So you have to think in mind which word is forming. NEP, it will become pen. PEN, pen. So it is a name of a thing. So in this way you have to write the answer of all the 3. I have given you the answer for 1. So you have to write down these 3 by yourself in your rough notebook. Next question is special names for the following. You have to write down the name of the special names, means proper nouns for the following. As I already told you in the previous lecture that what is a common noun and what is a proper noun. So here you have to write down the proper noun, that is special names. First one is your grandfather. So you have to write down the name of your grandfather. As I told you that proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. So the name of your grandfather will begin with a capital letter. Second one is a famous building in India. Famous building, for example, Taj Mahal, India Gate, Agra Fort. There are many. So write down any one name and don't forget to use the capital letter. As I told you that proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Third one is a river, the name of a river, any one river. There are many rivers. Write down any one name and start with the capital letter. A month, month means महीना, कोई से भी एक महीने का नाम, a month. A city, कोई से भी एक शहर का नाम. Sixth, a book, किसी भी एक किताब का नाम. So this is your question. You have to write down the special names. The next question is underline the common noun and circle the proper noun in the following sentences. You have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. Let's see the first one. I like to eat sweets. So here is a common noun sweets, so you have to underline it. See the second one, Savita has a teddy bear. Savita के पास teddy bear है. Third one is my birthday falls on 26th February. मेरा बर्थडे 26 फरवरी को आता है या पड़ता है. रोहन is reading a book. रोहन किताब पढ़ रहा है. Cricket is my favorite game. क्रिकेट मेरा फेवरेट खेल है. The ताजमहल is in आगरा. ताजमहल आगरा में है. My grandparents live in जोधपुर. मेरे grandparents जोधपुर में रहते हैं. The mouse is running on the carpet. Mouse carpet पे भाग रहा है. A parrot eats chili and nuts. तोता चिली और nuts खा रहा है. My name is Saloni. मेरा नाम सलोनी है. So these are the sentences. You have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. And you have to do these questions in your rough notebook. Write down these sentences first and then circle and underline the common and proper nouns. Thank you and have a nice day. You must have enjoyed watching this video.